our bikes are steady make. This is all the rugged bikes. So we give it to the delivery partners, all the Swiggy, Zomato, Zepto, Blinkit, all the gig economy riders. They take our bike. It's a very rugged bike, or it's all made of steel. So generally, and apart from it, we provide a roadside assistance service, and we have a very dense network of the swap station. So by the swap station, the range anxiety is also there in the EV thing. But via solving the range anxiety thing, via making swap station at every 2 kilometer, we are solving this issue also. So apart from it, excellent service, top notch brand. We have own manufacturing. We are nothing importing from anywhere. So everything is made in India. So that's why we have a edge.
सो बाज बाइक जो है किस फ्रेंचाइज मॉडल पर बेस्ड है?
Yeah. So we have couple of franchise model. First is the buy and operate. Second is the city partner model. In the buy and operate, certain tasks needs to be done by our partner. Like they need to park the bikes at their premises, and they have to manage the basically gig economy people. Rider will have to come. They will going to lease them the bike, and apart from it, the services and the maintenance, these kind of things are done by us only. In this, we are giving a very good return of like almost 28% to each and every franchisee partner. So very minimal investment of 10 to 15 lakh, 20 lakh. It's a complete customizable model, and but the benefit is we are giving a maximum return, and our partner can also become a part of a great legacy of the EV industry, which is still going.
सो एक चीज और पूछना चाहूंगी कि जो बाज का नाम है
Yeah.
वो क्या साउंड करता है?
So yeah, it's an interesting question. So when we started, so our like registered name was Electork Technologies Private Limited. Like it is still Electork Technologies. So but our riders, they were having difficulty in saying the name Electork. So they thought to give a some shorter name or light name. So once a day a rider came to the our hub. He said, "Yeah, it's look. I feel like a buzz, like a vulture after when I ride this." So that's why the name clicked. We just said Buzz Bike to everyone.
सो भारत स्टार्टअप समिट के बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Yeah, it's a great summit. I think all very great summits and collaborations are doing by Franchisee India, Government of India. A lot of stakeholders are already here, and they're already doing very great work. So I'm like really looking forward to it. And on day-to-day basis, we are like hearing and listening all the initiatives taken by the certain stakeholders and shareholders. So we are very positive about that.
थैंक यू.